Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive straight into setting up a content syndication tracker in Airtable. The first step is to create a new base in Airtable. Simply click on the Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for our tracker. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can start building walls. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step, creating the necessary fields. These fields will include content title, syndication platform, publication date, and performance metrics. The reason we do this is to keep our content organized and easily trackable. Think of these fields as different rooms in your house, each with a specific purpose. This brings us to the third step, linking the records. In Airtable, you can link records between different fields. For example, you can link content title with performance metrics. This helps us because it creates a relationship between our content and how it's performing, allowing us to quickly identify which pieces are doing well and which aren't. The final step is to set up views for each syndication platform. Click on the Add View button and create a new grid view for each platform. This allows us to have a separate view for each syndication platform, making it easier to track our content's performance on individual platforms. Let me explain why this matters. It's like having a separate room in your house for each activity, one for cooking, one for sleeping, and so on. It helps keep things organized and allows you to focus on one thing at a time. And there you have it, a content syndication tracker set up in Airtable. With this, you can effectively track and monitor your content across different platforms. Remember, the key is organization and efficiency. By clearly tracking your content, you can focus on creating more of what works and less of what doesn't. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.